Hi, friends. This is Perry. We're in Newport today. We gotta go get some more lumber and stuff. Thought we would just kind of stop by and show you what the Pacific Ocean looks like. Kind of dismal and gray today. But there she is. This is right in Newport. It's called a little place called Nye Beach. It's changed a lot since I was a kid down here. I don't know if you see it or not, but there's a big ship way out there. Just about where the skyline is out there. You see a little dot there. This is one of the favorite places people like to go. It's got a nice beach. Run up and down and do some beach combing. But there it is. Pacific Ocean. Alrighty, we'll see you guys soon. This is Perry and Nancy saying bye.
Bye.